That means you are going at the frying business. Where do fried chicken and chicken back or chips and chicken or where fry? Where you get deep fry now. You are going at the business and a good idea that's not be. Like your motivation from day one, you know, man. See it in you, Yeah, man.
Jesus Christ, no man, me say the pudding them make my mouth a run water, swear. No man, the next month you have to go try do one or two for me. Even if I pay you for them, you tell me price. I love pudding in a girl. So I can't bother go great or nothing with for me and them. I can't bother, my hand not so ready. So I start rubbing potato them and start hurt me. But no man. Right now I eat one of that. I just sit down and eat that for my dinner with one milk, girl. Swear. Yeah, cause they look nice, smooth, and they come out so beautiful. Man, you say I can't look on the picture the way they couldn't catch my eye. I tell you, man, look nice, man. Look really nice. If I tell you, I that eat one, all of one. No doubt about it. When you're good at something, man, you're just good at it.
Rose, you know what? Answer the phone. Or me can get half of one of them put in the car, half more. Terry, I work at me a pen. Can I go give him tomorrow for me now? No, not tomorrow, Monday. Sorry, I forgot that tomorrow and Sunday. You can't carry half of one, go give him Monday and me a pen for me.
Really be more put down and send my one come?
So way I tell me, say me not get none of that. You tell me in a decent way.
Right now, me dem have a blood clot pudding. I don't eat another one, girl. I first put me not tell no lie. I first put me ever eat and it tastes so nice. Right now, more one more tomorrow. Cause me done them have one already. More one tomorrow, next one look one tomorrow. And Friday, Saturday morning it is it. So if me can get it tomorrow morning, please. I can't go work for myself, for me lunch. Right now, I last week, me just don't bathe and I eat alone. Nice for blood free.
God bless you, my friend. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Blessed good morning. Go and make your thing, baby girl, and put your money to use. Me know you know you're made, so you will use your money wisely. God bless you. Go and do your thing. They really look good.
Thing make it nice, so just refine, girl. It just refine, nice. Well, right now it almost finished. As me reach, me start name. Girl, I want one more tomorrow. Well, me take set on your food now. You come like the little one them taste better than the big one them. Not you know like food mad. Me take their work, I tell my friend about it. She said she want piece, so if it's God bless the little piece, we'll let her fight right now. Cause me come cut off it in a two and me start name.